Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get reviews on website here on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Getting reviews on your Wix website is a great way to build credibility and trust with potential customers. And there are multiple ways for you to be able to collect and display reviews on your Wix site. Number one is I want you to click on the left side panel of your dashboard and click on the website that you want to put reviews on. Once you have opened your Wix editor, as you can see, all you have to do is go to the left side panel of your dashboard and where you can see the add apps. From here, all you have to do is type in to search the app. And let's search for something like reviews. Okay, so these are going to be some of the built-in review apps to help you collect and display reviews. You have the Google reviews, comments, Fera reviews, which is a free plan available. These are the Wix choice. We have a separate video on how to integrate Google reviews on your Wix site, but this time I'm gonna choose the Fera reviews. All I have to do is very simple. Add to site. It's free plan anyway. Make sure it's free because some of them requires a premium subscription plan, all right? And all I have to do is click on agree and add, and that would forward you to another page. Install Wix app, and you have to choose the website that you wanted. Of course, we're going to select the first one. Adding Fera reviews, just wait for it. Now, after signing up, you might want to check the platform that you have reviews like Etsy, Yotpo, AliExpress, Trustpilot, Stamp, Google. But if you don't have any of these, just click on skip. All right. And of course, from here, you need to choose the base theme for widgets. Is it going to be like neutral theme or a playful theme, elegant, and a lot more bold theme? I'm going to maybe choose the neutral for now. I'm gonna click on continue and wait for it. Now, you see, you have an automatic review request. So how long after their order should we wait before asking customers for review? I'll leave the discretion to you if you use the Fera review. Is it gonna be 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, or maybe after order is created or paid? All right, so I'm gonna click on continue for that because that would help the Fera review gives a customized review automation for you. Now you can also install some recommended widgets. Is it going to be like all reviews, product reviews, and product detail rating? If you want more reviews, something like media gallery, testimonial carousel, floating rating badge, you know what? I'm going to select all of these because that would help Fera. And you can start with the recommended plan based on your store on this. But for now, I'm going to skip that because yes, I'm gonna skip that for now. When the account is ready, you would be forwarded to the Fera review wherein you can have more control about the reviews from creating section on a form. All right, you can skip the tour. As you can see, these are going to be some of your sections. You have an option to add or import reviews. All right, you can simply click on import sync existing reviews if you have one. If you are selling on Etsy, Yotpo, AliExpress, Stamp, or if you have custom reviews for in the form of CSV, you might want to do that. Or automatically connect to a source to sync automatically. You can use Amazon reviews, Facebook, Trustpilot, Google Business, and other Fera account. We're not going to do that. For now, you have the product reviews, store reviews wherein you can also add a review here. You can get new reviews. You can put in one-time request. For example, you can ask existing past customers with a one-time request. But what will happen is if you do that, you see, you have the all of these. You can put in photos and videos, last order, overall, and you have the option to the email address, all right? For example, is it going to be like, and what to send to, all right? After doing so, all you have to do is click on save. That's one way. Now, the other option that we could use is, now once you are back on the Wix editor, I want you to hover to the add elements. You see there's going to be an option that says contact and forms, all right? And here, you can simply click on the forms. Is it going to be order, registration, application request, all right? Waiver, subscribe, and a lot more. But of course, we can go to the feedback that is getting reviews as well, right? If you click on the feedback, you have all these templates that you can choose from. For example, this one right here. I'm going to choose this one. You can add and adjust and drag this. Waiting for it, just wait for it. Okay, so this is going to be the testimonial. Testimonials access a review as well, right? It's kind of like asking you to leave a review after the successful purchase or the service. For example, first name is going to be like this, right? You can customize all of these. You can put in your text here. And of course, you let the customer, let them know that they agree to publish their testimonial online, all right? Now, another option that you can explore is going to a website called Elfsight, because they offer a Wix all-in-one review app. Okay, so these are going to be what the customers are saying, like in Google, Facebook. These are just samples, all right? TripAdvisor, Amazon. So you can start with a template in the carousel widget, on the grid. You see that? On badge, simple carousel, floating badge, reviews carousel, dark carousel, which is a bit creative. If you wanted to continue with this template, click on that and add a review source. All right, so you have all these: Google, Facebook, TripAdvisor, and you can have all these. All right. For example, we're going to be clicking on the Google, but you have to put in the business name and address of that. If you're looking for the Facebook, just link your Facebook. Now, if you wanted to connect any of these stores, all you have to do is add to website for free. After that, your widget will be added on the Wix website by putting in the embed code. All right. And by combining these approaches, you can easily collect and showcase reviews on your Wix website, enhancing trust and boosting conversions. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.